Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a photo shoot planned in celebration of my son's 3rd birthday. Where did time go? But anyway, I created this look, and if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Taking the Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit, I'm going to fill in my brows, and then I'm going to take a spoolie to evenly distribute the product for a natural looking brow. When I'm happy with that, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige, and I'm going to conceal underneath the brows because I haven't threaded in quite a long time and I needed them to look as snatched and as clean as possible. And here you can see that I'm just going in with a flat brush to nicely blend that product, and whatever is left on the brush, without taking any extra product, I'm just going to clean up the top of the brow. To prepare my eyelids for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Tesh Beauty Concealer as a primer, and I'm going to use my beauty blender from Swiitch Beauty just to blend that out. Before applying any eyeshadow, I'm quickly going to set my eyebrows with this Got to Be Glued eyebrow gel. And I believe you can set your edges with this as well, but this has become my current favorite eyebrow gel. It's available at your discount stores, and trust me, you definitely will thank me later because this product is absolutely amazing. For my eyeshadow, I decided to go in with the Revlon Maverick palette. And I'm going to take that first shade, which is a beautiful brown shade, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. But I actually applied this all over my lid, and then I went in with the second shade, which is a rustic orange, I believe, just to deepen the crease, and I also applied that on the outer corner of my eye. Taking the LA Girl concealer, I'm just going to use that to cut my crease. And this is something that I usually take my time with because I want to make sure that both eyes look as even as possible. And to make that easier, I actually use a pencil brush, which you will see shortly, just to define those lines. Once I'm happy with that, I go in with a clean fluffy brush to tap off any excess concealer, and I set that with a setting powder as well before going in with this golden shade from the Beige Cosmetics highlight palette. Remember, I was going for a very golden and bronzy look, so this looked amazing. And next I'm just going to deepen up those eyeshadow shades. I'm going to make sure that there's no harsh lines and that the blend is beautiful and seamless. Once I'm happy with that blend, I'm going to draw myself some wings with the Swiitch Beauty Jet Liner. I know this is a step in your makeup routine that could be the most difficult, so if you would like a tutorial, please let me know in the comments down below. Now taking the Callendra black eyeliner, I'm using that to tightline my waterline, and I like to do this because it covers up any gaps between my lashes and that eyeliner that I just applied. And then I'm going to go in with one layer of the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. For my base, I'm starting off by applying my Dr. Gobac SPF. And this is something we should be wearing every day with or without makeup. Then I'm going to be taking my primer, which is from Revlon. This is the 16-hour grip matte primer, before going in with my foundation. For foundation, I'm using this color wheel by Kryolan. This was the first time using the foundation, so I had to mix 2 shades to get my perfect shade. And let me tell you that I thoroughly enjoyed this foundation. It's super long lasting and the finish is just amazing, to a point where I did not want to wash this off at the end of the day. But as you can see here, I'm just applying it with a brush, and then I go in with my beauty blender just to make sure that it's seamlessly blended. Once I'm happy with that blend, I'm going in with my Swiitch Beauty concealer. This is in the shade C330, I believe, and it has become one of my favorite concealers, if I'm honest with you guys. So here you can see I'm just highlighting the usual places that I would highlight, which is underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, as well as my forehead, and then I'm just going to blend. Now I'm taking the Tesh Beauty setting powder and I'm going to use that to set my whole face. I'm going to contour my face now using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and this is in the shade Beautifully Bronzed. So once I've applied that exactly where I want it, I'm just going to make sure that it's nicely blended. Yeah, I'm taking the Tesh Beauty setting powder and I'm basically baking the sides of my nose and my jawline to make my contour stand out. Moving back to the eyes, I'm taking the same two shades that I used on my upper lid and running that through my lower lid. Now to set my contour, I'm using the Photoshoot palette from Benefit, and going in with the Hoola bronzer, I'm going to set wherever I applied my contour. For a flushed and radiant look, I'm taking my current favorite blushes, which are from Swiitch Beauty and NYX. I'm applying that on the bridge of my nose as well as my cheeks. I really wanted to glow for this photo shoot, so I'm using my Beige Cosmetics highlighter palette and I'm going in with the color Dream to highlight the high points of my cheeks, my temples, my cupid's bow, and then I go in with a smaller brush to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, the bridge of my nose, as well as my eyebrow bone. Before applying mascara to my bottom lash line, I'm setting my makeup using the Maybelline Lasting Fix, and then I'm going to take more bronzer because I felt like I needed to look more bronzed. So I'm applying that on my cheeks as well as my jawline to look more snatched and look more bronzed and sun-kissed. Now I'm applying my lashes, which are my all-time favorites from Catrice Cosmetics. And then I realized that I didn't show you guys my lip combo. So I used Velvet Teddy from MAC and a brown liner. And then I just set my face again, and that was the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has to be my all-time favorite go-to makeup look for any occasion. If you like this video, please do subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!